Hello. Today we're gonna be streaming again. This time it's a bit different because instead of streaming like I normally do, like Roblox and stuff, or if you know my YouTube channel, like UG VR and stuff, we're gonna be streaming me making my working on my game. So far, we um we have this, which is gonna be like somewhat of a spawn area, and I made these. These are gonna be like little altars and stuff. It's gonna be real sick when we get done. But right now, all we have is that and a mob system kind of, yeah, and inventory as well as inventory slots and a random class generation. But these will walk animation, and then they'll run when you get close. The run animation's a bit weird, but and then to open inventory, you go here, you press E, and that's what we're at right now. I can't really test it because I don't have the button to like course give me levels. So yeah, this is where we're at right now. I plan to add actual combat, um, a UI over them or a GUI, and then like another GUI either here or over here for like to show your health and stuff. But yeah, that's what we're at right now. And right now there's no cap on the spawner. As you can see, they'll spawn infinitely. He's stuck. I do plan to add bosses. I just haven't got to that yet. Yeah, and I plan because I just haven't really felt like doing it. Um, I'm gonna add more parts, like as you can see. Um, if I come over to here, um, where's myself? Yeah, monster parts. It's just this is what it is, and like it randomly assigns parts. So like if I let's take this for example, bring this into the workshop. Where is it? Here. I just copy, paste this, turn it back to gray, and then say rename this arm 2 or something like that. And then I take these both back down into the arms category. I don't know why it's down there. Take it back, and then we can just go back in. Still gotta fix this, but you see, some of them have mixed arms, and some will have just straight like that, and some will have it's a it's a RPG game. It's gonna be an MMORPG because I gave up on my other game because it was annoying me. And it's like it'll be in the description because it's kind of hard to say it now, but like you'll be able to find out soon because I think I have a little bit more work to do, and then I'm good to go. I actually made a Discord server for this, and right now I'm going to put it in chat for anybody that wants to join. I probably won't be posting much on there, but I will be posting like when I finish like the game and stuff, because I'm not, this isn't just gonna be a stream work on. I'm gonna be doing this in my free time too. Uh, Here's the link. That's to my Discord server that I made. This that was the extra part. But yeah, so and I know this is bad, but I don't know how to code, so what I've been doing is I have to use ChatGPT for it. Which I've been going through a lot and making sure everything works how it should. So it's not just gonna be glitchy and stuff. So it should work. Like I've been grinding this out and it's been a pain in the butt and it's not fun. Cause when one thing works, you fix one thing, then the next doesn't, and then it's just and then you try to do something and it just screws everything up. It's just really annoying. But what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna try and go up. I had something else that I wanted to put in, and it kind of got screwed up. So, where is it? Yeah, it's evolution system. A tram. But I had to, because I can't code at all. But yeah, so the plan is at the start, at the start of when you spawn in, um, when you spawn in, you'll either be assigned one of these classes. You'll be assigned melee, ranged, assassin, healer, mage, or summoner. And then, like later on, like after you get, I think it's set for 10 levels. I think 10 levels. Um, you'll get the you'll a UI will pop up, and it'll ask you if you want to evolve your class or re-roll it. This is just because it adds a little bit more fun. It kind of forces people, yeah, it's level 10. It forces people to play out of their comfort zone, you know? If you've um ever played an RPG, you it kind of gets boring after a while because you're playing in a comfort zone. Like you play with classes you know how to play as. But in this, it's basically completely random. I think it'd be fun. But here's what I want to add. This is what I have to add yet. Yeah. Script. script. And I've been working on this for a while, but I ended up scrapping the other version because it would not have worked at all. Evolution. Bro, can I not spell? Okay, well, that's gonna be what it is for now. I'm gonna go change it in a second. Yeah, I made like piggy games inside the piggy game. You know, like that little game mode they used to have where you could create your own stuff. That was fun. I've never like made my own like straight up piggy game before though. Oh, that's right. I wanted to put um Evolution GUI. This is annoying. GUIs are the annoying part of this whole process because either they work or they really, really don't. Frame properties. So I guess like people that actually know how to code would probably be saying I'm cheating right now, but I don't care because I don't know how to code, so I'm gonna do it my own way. Yeah, I'll do that last. Text questions. Whoops. So text level question text. Apparently something's clean. Text label question text. So I guess we do something like what? This size? This size seem right to you guys? Wait, I didn't. Probably like probably like that. Yeah, that seems that'll be fine. Then we need two text buttons, the evolution button. And if you're wondering why I'm copying and pasting this in, it's so that everything works. Because code is very, very technical and a pain in the ass. So you kind of have to do this way. um, So that it works. Because if you don't, then you're cooked. Because things won't work right. And then you have to go through, and then it's just annoying. And I don't want to deal with that, so make sure just oh crap, C, V, same sized. Roll. Then this one was what? I can't remember. But like I think this really does help speed things along, which because I can just type that in and then go work on something quick and then come back. Yeah, look at that. and come back and have it done. Have my code ready to put in. It usually does not go that way because usually I need, why'd it go there? Oh wait, no, that's where I need it. Usually I need to do the code so that I know the names for the buttons. UI local G script. Yep, already got that. There we go. V. Yeah. I'm not doing this. We'll do this though. Multiple evolution tiers. Nah, I don't need anything below there, so let's do this. Let's just have it rewrite all this. That's a very bad idea, but I don't care. Base, evolution scripts. Evolution, oh my gosh. Oop, bing, da-na-na-na-na. I am gonna go fudge around with these names though. This isn't how it's gonna be. It'll eventually get better. No, not my monster spawner script. This script. Oh, I don't even need that script. That script's blank. Uh, that's the stat handler, which we'll be seeing that when I go try to test this out. Is this the broken script? Yes, it is. Okay, delete. But I hope to get this game out like soon. Like I don't think this should be a very long project because I'm not gonna make it like too fancy. Like any game, like I'm not gonna make it like the Forge type graphics because that's out of my pay grade. Night, night champ. I actually kind of like that path. I'm gonna keep that pathway, but like I'm definitely not gonna keep it for. I'm not keeping it for some other because the names are stupid. I'm tired. Hmm. Like it wants to go melee to knight, range to sharpshooter, assassin to shadowblade, healer cleric, art mage, beast. I think I'll just change the beastmaster because that actually all that makes sense. And then knight to that, night stalker, high priest, spells. That's getting changed, and probably this too. But there was a code that I had up here, and it was like do this, and you can just add levels. Was that not this? Animating attacks. Yep, this will give you. I can actually go show you what my other thing was later. And this is gonna be this is our texture head screen for our Discord. I don't remember where it was. Was it in here? No, this is that. Okay. Is it Roblox tool placement? It might be this one. Because yes, I have already made tools. I have made the starter tools. I still need to make the code to give it to one class generation though. Gotta think about that one. Can you make code so that I can level up by pre pressing L? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Level up logic. Local script detected. Yeah. Oh, I still need to put this label. Um, script admin testing in there. Oh wait, where else do you want me to put something? In local script, starter player, starter scripts. So this way I can just kind of, show stuff and it'll make sense. Local script, starter player script. Starter player script. Local script. Uh, this script, text to detect L. Do this. Then we gotta rename this label to hello game. Are we working? No, 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 no. Text. You may evolve your class. What will you do? Uh, where is it? Label. Why do you not want me to tag in there? I don't know what's going on outside, but it don't sound good. Um, oh wait, go back. Uh, let's do text scaled. I don't know if I like the look of that, but this is just testing, so, it's fine. Doesn't have to look good. Then frame, visible. Okay, now that should pop up every so often, when it works. Ranger. Okay. I don't think it's working. Oh boy. Wait, what? Gosh. This annoys me sometimes. I'm gonna keep doing it because I'm having a blast. Mainframe, stat frame, rename, strength button. Now let's see which one it doesn't like. Um, yeah, this is gonna be inventory slots. Not that they're actually showing up. There's gonna be about 20 of them, and my computer's going dead. How lovely. Okay, I know. By a bunch of memes. How fun. Real quickly. There we go. Okay. Hmm. I'm tired today. Okay. Can you get off my head? And currently there's no world border yet, so you can kind of just jump off. Will they follow me? Oh, they're real stupid. I'm gonna have to change the spawner setting so that they stay over there. So, what is wrong here? This is the problem with ChatGPT though. So it'll get something that works, or something that doesn't. So when it doesn't work, this is, hold on, let me try and go back in here. I'm just gonna put me, yeah, yeah, I can't even open it because I'm not in my body. Damn. It can be really annoying sometimes. Get off my screen. So I fixed that one. Now, let's see why this button doesn't work. Class choice event. This is annoying sometimes. This is like actually kind of annoying. Wait, I think it was just local script studios. Oh, it was actually 5, but whatever. Like you can just do this, and yeah, it'll just give you a whole new code that you can then bring in here. Do this. Forgot to end the testing. Then is it evolution script? Maybe evolution. Yeah, evolution scripts. And then you go here, and it has everything in it. Right? I'm lagging right now for some reason. Damn it. And it got zoomed in all of a sudden. And that just screwed everything up. Okay. We'll go top to bottom then. There's that. Don't know why that does that, but it's fine. And then the other problem was What was the local script for the evolution UI? And you press L to increase level. Evolution. This one, right? Yeah, we're gonna put it in here. So what did it add? Okay, well, let's. Oh, this would so much easier if I could just let ChatGPT go through my files. I do know there is an AI that can just make a game for you. And I don't know if that works with. I don't know if that works with here. Yeah, sick. But my level thing is not working. Back to the drawing boards. Um, I don't know what she was doing there. My sister. She was also helping me with this. And see about that. That's that over there. And this is all that I've done. I've done all the scripting. That's all she's done. So what I need to do is I need to make, where'd it go? I'm gonna make this bigger at some point, and I'm gonna have it so that they can only wander in this area. Oh. So that I'll have them at a limit. You're way too easy. Okay. Wait, what? Did I name this admin script? Oh no, level. Is this what I want to be level? This was for sprint. I'm gonna get rid of this before I actually publish the game because there's a stat called dexterity that I'm using to um to increase. So strength will increase the damage of weapons. I think dexterity I forget what everything increases. And zoom to the top. He's being very loud at the moment. You know, is it in here or is it in? It might be in here. I still have to figure out how to do the animations for this. Because, like, so, like, in, I think it's server. God damn, so loud. And I have tools like what is this one? None of them have names yet. So this is gonna be the sword. Yeah. And then you got the bow. I have daggers, I think, or a dagger, a healing staff, a normal staff, and I think this will be just like a book. Yeah, this is gonna be for the summoner book. So these are our 5 weapons of the game. But I don't know why this is this texture because that's not what the texture I had it. Um, select, select, not that part. This part. Nope, not that part. So this part. Yeah, right. That's why I never give you So once this decides to actually work, yeah, I think I typed in Rust. Yeah, there it goes. Rust. So okay, we're gonna have to do it in the material manager. So apparently it's not in the regular one, which is really annoying. Um, so where did my blade go? Ah, there we go. Corroded metal. There we go. Now we have a base poop sword. All of you, back to server storage. I'm thinking I'm gonna put all those in a folder called like basic class weapons. Don't know yet. Save class and evolution. Okay, I don't know why it does this. It just reads save all player data. There we go. Because apparently it just doesn't auto do that for me. Hold on. Everything's save data all relevant player data. It froze. There it goes. Player data service and server script service. To be fair, I don't really follow these rules because I can change my class whenever I want to. Because I can access and edit the game. Oh. Server script service. Script. Yeah. I can also edit other people's player data. Data structure, each player is saved like this. Yep. Um, oh, evolution script. Okay, I was about to say, why is it telling me to remove something from the script it just wrote? Local new instance. Ugh. So it's local evolved tier equals new instance. Evolved tier. Local evolved what the hell? Local evolved flat tiers equals new instance. Local evolved. Nope, that's evolved event. I'm not seeing what it's telling me to delete. Something on my pillow spiking my arm. That didn't feel very well. Local evolved tier. Evolved tier. Ah, there it is. Get rid of that line. Okay. I don't need to test it. I'm just gonna trust and hope and pray. Because I'm gonna do a private test, so anybody on my server is gonna be able to play test before it comes out. Level up things still not working. Level button. Oh my god. Level up button is not. Oh my gosh. This lag is crazy. It is not working. Total friend. The stores isn't begging. The server can't find level yet. Nothing previous level. 4 level exists on the final working. Remove, verify, remove event exists and replace up level up event. If you don't see the script, if the server script never created it, final working fix in replicated storage. What? Okay. Never mind. We're just gonna get rid of that entirely because I don't want to deal with that. So now we're gonna get to the fun part soon. Model versus holder. Roblox Game idea. Okay. How do I make a GUI UI UI that when a entity spawns in it will show the level and the level and level. What the heck am I trying to say? Oh, and health. Uh, my fingers aren't working. Oh, we're going back to Billboard GUIs. Oh man. Okay, so y'all are about to see my spawner script, which is making where's the spawn port? Like right right there. No? Where'd I put the spawn part? Okay, right here. So you guys are about to see what makes this part work. It's, I don't it's everything is in one um one script, and it's literally called spawn monster spawner. Yep. This is what makes all of that work. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna copy all of this script. Okay, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna build this. So we'll put this in here, so it's there. Enemy billboard GUI. So it's a billboard GUI. And starter GUI, go there, go. Yeah, what did, no, go back, go back, go back, go back. Okay, why is this, get rid of this. I don't need this script, why is it in there? Starter GUI, it's gonna be billboard GUI. And that billboard GUI, apparently is just gonna disappear on me. So, Control Z. Yeah, man. Game, what are we doing? Okay, and then that's not gonna work. Enemy build for GUI. Bro, what is my game doing? Control V. Enemy build for GUI. Frame. Frame. Boom. Always on top. Billboard settings always on top. Always on top. Side. What was the size? 250 or 250. That's what it already is. The offset vector. Is it stud offset? Yeah, stud offset. Yeah, we'll go with this one. Please, game. Please. Work, please. Um, then what about the frame? Oh, wait, no. Hold on, you know what I'm gonna do with this, actually? Instead of putting this on here, I'm going to not open that. I'm gonna put it in here. If it lets me work. Okay, and then I can just get rid of this all, because it's really annoying me. Like, really bad. So wait, what does it want me to do this frame? What does it want me to do this frame? But then put these health bar BG, and that is gonna be health. What it? This is annoying. Okay, well, whatever. So in the frame, you put a text label. Wait, did I do the glitch again, where it gets bigger as you get or smaller as you get? I'm gonna crash out. I swear I'm gonna crash out. Because this is literally why I completely gave up on my other game, because of this stupid GUI. And it wouldn't stay still in place, and it's just so annoying. So this is level text. Rename that level text. Where's the freaking frame? What? Whatever. And then we do another frame for health bar, GG, and then the frame and that is gonna be health bar. So then do frame. In that frame we do another frame. For that first frame is gonna be health bar, GG, and then this frame is health bar. Welcome back, frame. Health bar. That's gonna be a problem. I'll fix that though. It'll be fine. And then we'll do dark gray. I'll find a dark gray. And then we'll do size. So yeah, I'm not buying viewers. And this will be health. Then health bar. If that's what that is, I'm not buying viewers. Mm. And then we're gonna color it. We're gonna do it like deep red. And we'll do this one dark gray, it said, right? Yeah, I get those a lot. This makes no sense. This does not look quick to me though. Yeah, I get those a lot. Don't know why my desktop audio was muted. Just realized that. Oh, I don't need any of that because it's not directly attached to the thing, so I'll just add that to the spawner GUI. Okay, I got distracted there for a second. Yo, Tim, you said you've been making a game, right? So, so, how does one, how does one, stop this stupid GUI from moving? Actually, you know what? Uh, I think I'm gonna call that a day. I'm pretty tired. I don't feel like streaming anymore. I'll figure out how to fix that soon. Well, see you guys later. Bye.